The 15th of August and tackling the squash, and you can see there's still massive growth here and plenty of fruits that are developing and also trying to ripen on the plants. Now in the UK, get to this time of year and you're not going to get any more fruit production, but what you do want is you want to ensure that what's on here will actually ripen. So whether that means snipping off the odd leaf to allow more sun to get to the fruit, or cutting back your vine so that the maximum amount of energy can go into fruit production and fruit ripening rather than actual growth of the plant. So just cut at 2 sections beyond where the fruit is.